Well, there's several different factors to consider when lighting industrial warehouses. Light levels are very important. Safety is very important. Vertical light levels, since in a lot of cases we're dealing with either high racking or hazardous chemicals and material storage, such as that. You got to make sure your vertical light levels are adequate so that the customers can see what they're handling and make sure they're doing it in a safe and proper way. Lighting requirements in warehouses can vary. And a lot of times we follow standard IES regulations and recommendations for lighting warehouses, but in a lot of times we also have to take into consideration each individual end user and customer requirements. In a lot of cases, energy savings as far as a warehouse goes, lighting is a huge proponent of that because typically there's no additional processes in those spaces. So the lighting is, in a lot of cases, the biggest load. So lighting plays a huge role in the energy consumption and also the possibility for energy savings in warehouse applications. So having the ability to not only cut that energy in half with just a standard LED retrofits, but being able to utilize control options as well to even maximize that energy savings is critical for warehouses. Controls play a big part in a lot of warehouses just from the sheer fact of it gives you an increased opportunity to get a quicker ROI or a faster payback on lighting in warehouse applications. And in a lot of cases, those lights don't need to be on all the time. In reference to the controls for warehouse applications, Enlight Air, which is one of our main control platforms, gives us the capability to integrate not only the warehouse space, but also combine production areas and also the office space areas all into one platform. This gives the customer one user interface for all different applications and spaces within their customer space. We've been around 125 plus years. What we do with our optics and our fixtures is very unique.